Dear students, a very good morning. Today we will discuss the topic of turbo machinery. So basically, turbo machines are the machines in which there is a dynamic action is there. In turbo machines, there is a rotor and a fluid is applied on it. So there is a kind of energy interaction between the fluid and rotor takes place. The fluid medium can be gas, steam, water, or air. In case of steam turbine, it's steam, and in case of water turbine, it's water. The main principle of turbo machinery depends on the energy interaction between rotor and the fluid. So when we clearly define what is turbo machine, so turbo machine is a device in which energy transfer occurs between a flowing fluid and rotating element due to dynamic action. This results in change of pressure and momentum of the fluid. So the energy transfer takes place because of the change in the momentum of the fluid. So now we come about the classifications of the turbo machines. So when we discuss about the classification in terms of energy transfer, so turbo machine is bifurcated in two categories, that is power producing turbo machines or power absorbing turbo machines. In power producing turbo machines, for example, water turbine, a jet of water forces on the turbine and it generates the work or power in the form of electricity. When it comes to the power absorbing, we have to take the example of centrifugal pump, in which we have to supply or provide the work to that pump and it lifts the water. So we have to supply the energy or power. So these type of machines are categorized under power absorbing, and previous ones are considered under power producing. So the basic difference is that one type of machine is producing power and another is absorbing power to do some work. Now, second classification is based on the fluid flowing in turbo machine, how the fluid flows. That is also a new category or a category. So in that category, it comes Pelton turbine, Kaplan turbine, and the Francis turbine, in which the how the jet of water strikes to the turbine. Steam turbine, in which steam is used. Gas turbine, in which gas is used. In next classification is based on the direction of flow through the impeller with reference to the axis of shaft rotation. Tangential flow, in Pelton turbine, there is a tangential flow if water strikes on the radial flow. In radial flow, centrifugal pump or compressors are there. In axial flow, axial pump compressors are there. Based on condition of fluid in turbo machine. So in this type, impulse turbine, reaction turbine, rotating shaft, horizontal shaft turbine. Steam turbine is a horizontal shaft turbine in which the shaft is arranged in a horizontal manner. Vertical shaft turbine is Kaplan turbine, which is having a vertical shaft. Inclined shaft turbine. Thank you. So these are the basic classification of turbines and basic definitions of turbine and classification of turbine.